Hello, hello everyone. It's Leanne from Cherry Lane. Just here to show you a new Darcie's board. So Darcie's stamps and tin pins. So they're super cute, clear stamps. So I'll give you a close-up of the cards and the board. Let's see. Try not to get a shadow on here. I am getting a shadow. Okay. There we go. So this one's got a deer and so, okay, there are 4 stamps and 4 tin pins that match. So, let's see. This guy is from this set. So, what is this one called? I don't know. This one's called Figgy Pudding. So, here is the stamp set. So, they're a 4x4 clear stamp set. So, you get the cute little deer. He's kind of got like whipped cream on his head almost. You get the Figgy Pudding. Oh, that one's the Figgy Pudding. And the fruitcake over on the left. And some super cute little sentiments. Bring us some figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. Every day is a gift. Someday it's fruitcake. And happy holidays. And then there are the matching pins. So the pins, that's what you get in the package. So the pins, you get 2 for each little guy on there. So sample of that one. Try not to have the glare on there from the lights. So, and then the figgy pudding is down here. No, fruitcake is down here. Every day is a gift. Someday it's fruitcake. Cute. So all of the stamps are $14.99 and the tin pins are $7.99. So this set was Figgy Pudding. Let's see. Next set you get the little penguin and the polar bear, gifts, a little hat, North Pole, some little accessories, some cute little sentiments to a perfect friend. Thank you for the gift and warm winter wishes. So let's see, where's our samples? There we go. There's the penguin and the bear. And so, see, they don't come with any accessories in their hand. That's up to you if you want to put them on there. And also the little hat, if you like. That's a separate piece. So, warm winter wishes and to a perfect friend. Let's see, was there another one? We don't have a sample with the North Pole on there, but that's okay. Got the penguin and the bear. So here's the tin pins for that. So this is called North Pole Pals. That's what this set is. North Pole Pals. So again, the 4x4 stamp set. And then matching pins. So this one, there are only 2 main images. So you get 3 of each little face on there. Those guys. So you can use the stamps with or without the pins. That's up to you. Let's see what's next. There is this one. So you get Santa in the little window frame, and you get a little gingerbread girl. Is it a girl? I don't know. It's a hat. Could be a girl. It's a gingerbread person. And you get Santa's note, and let's see, wishing you everything on your list and more, and gingerbread hugs, peppermint kisses, and holiday wishes. So where's our samples? So here's a sample of Santa. I wish I had this tilted a bit. I only have one hand. One free hand. There we go. There is Santa. So you can fussy cut out Santa if you want, or leave him in the window. Up to you. Wishing you everything on your list and more. And there's Santa's list, and let's see. There is the little gingerbread person. So super easy cards, easy coloring on here. And remember, you don't even have to color the face if you get the pins. It makes it even a little bit easier. So that one was. Oh, where are the pins? Pins are here. So you get 3 of each little face in here. So this one was called Santa's List. So same name for the stamp and the pin set. Santa's List. And let's see, the Cardinal. Here's a sample of the Cardinal. May your holidays be wreathed in joy. So that is the Cardinal. So it's a 4x4 set. You get the Cardinal in the wreath. You could fussy cut out just the Cardinal if you wanted to, but he's pretty cute with the wreath. Let's see, cardinals appear when angels are near. May your holidays be wreathed in joy. And may your holidays be filled with blessings. You also get the little hat too. So the hat is a separate piece. If you would like to stamp them on there, you can do that. And the little tin pin face, it's cute. So this one, there is only the 1 main image, so you get 6 in that package. So this one is called Cardinal and Wreath. So both the stamp set and the pins are called Cardinal and Wreath if you would like either of those. And there is a paper pack also. So it's an 8.5 by 11 paper pack. and in here you get one of each print that you see on the board. So that sweater print, I'm going to say Argyle? No, not Argyle. Cable knit and the holly, and then this one with the little cross stitch stuff. The plaid, you get this snowflakey background. How many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so one each of each print you can see here. So cable knit, holly, stitching, snowflakes, plaid. So that is that's the new Darcies. So if you would like any of these, you can give us a call at the store, 604-814-4500. If you're on Facebook, you can leave us a comment there, or you can send an email to orders@cherrylanescrapbook.com. Also, these should be loaded up on our web store as well, so you can get to that from our website, which is cherrylanescrapbook.com. All right, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.